In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes Microsoft Teams meeting. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable QR code that takes people straight to your Microsoft Teams meeting, perfect for posters, slides, or quick sharing. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Microsoft Teams web experience at teams.live.com. Once Teams loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the calendar icon. That's where all your scheduled meetings live. Click Calendar to open it so you can choose the meeting you want to turn into a QR code. In your calendar, select the saved meeting you plan to share. This opens the meeting details. Here, you'll see an option to copy the link to the meeting. It might be labeled copy link or something similar depending on your view. Click that to copy the full meeting URL to your clipboard. This is the link we'll convert into a QR code. Now open a new browser tab and go to tinyurl.com. Tinyurl will help shorten the long Teams link and also generate a QR code for it. In the field provided on the homepage, paste the meeting link you just copied from Teams. Double check that it looks correct, then click Shorten Link. In a couple of seconds, you'll see a shortened URL. Shortening isn't strictly required for a QR code to work, but it makes the code less dense and more reliable to scan, especially when printed small. On the tinyurl result page, look for the QR option associated with your new short link and click it. Tinyurl will instantly display a QR code that points to your Teams meeting. This is the exact code people can scan with their phone cameras to go straight to your join page. When you're ready to save it, click Download. The file typically saves as a PNG, which works well for slides, documents, and most printers. If you plan to print it larger, aim for a higher resolution download so it stays crisp. After downloading, give the file a clear name so you can find it later, and place it in your project folder or share it with your team. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Anyone who scans the code can use the link, so choose meeting lobby and permission settings in Teams that fit how public your QR will be. If you're putting the code on signage, leave white space around it and print at a reasonable size so phones can scan it easily. That's it. You've created a QR code for your Microsoft Teams meeting using tinyurl. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.